The preacher said God would never give more than I could handle on my own. But I don't know if I believe that to be true. 'Cause there've been some times when I've been all alone and wanted to give up, but you helped me stand. Yeah. God, He used you, shined right through you in ways you will never know. So many ways that you'll never know.
So I just got out of the bath. I soaked for about 30 minutes. So now I have to find something to wear. I have an event tonight. I have no idea what to wear. And I got to do bills. And I got to clean this bathtub up. So anyway, at least I did commit to some self-care. Y'all remember Jenny Craig? Look at this cup. 20, I don't know how many years of use, and I end up using it as a bath cup. I like to rinse off my tub with it. Jenny Craig, not what you were meant for.
Did to show me love, and you helped me stand. Yeah. God, He used you.
Okay, shower cleaned.
In ways you
Need to put all this on.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right?
It looks a little bit more orange in the camera, but it's kind of like a peachy, I don't know, peachy pink, but I think that's what I'm wearing today. In the camera, it looks like Halloween, but no. Then I really thought, I looked up and I got reminded quickly about my new shoes over there that I need to break in, and they're blue. And I thought, should I wear this shirt? So I'm gonna get dressed and I'll show you what I end up with. I'm almost done. I ended up with these earrings. They're super cute. This blue shirt. I really like the ruching on the sleeve. Anyway, third shirt down. Yeah, and I am wearing my shoes that I need to break in. I'll put my foot on the toilet and show you. Okay, so these are my Brooks. Generally, they don't need broken into, but mine definitely did need it this time. Those are the Brooks.
I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now.
My friend is leaving Noodles after 19 years, so we had him a going away party. Today is National Puzzle Day at work, and so we got tons of puzzles out for staff, employees, customers. You guys like puzzles? I got some Disney puzzles. Kind of just put them out throughout the store. Look how cool. Some of them are smaller pieces, like 24. Some of them are 300. I tried to put the 300 on the bigger table. Kind of cool. And then these are kind of huge puzzles. I don't know how many pieces, 1,000 pieces. I'm gonna be over here for a minute. So that's gonna take a while. And then I did put 2 back here on these big tables. So what is that, a Toy Story? Some art, little fall one.
We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now, with the whole world at our feet.
So one of the things I recently started doing is going through the library list and see what free things they have for adults at the beginning of the year. And so they had a Zoom with Michelle from Survival of the Thickness. She is like the producer and one of the main characters on Survival of the Thickness, a Netflix show. And I just love her, and so I decided to jump on the Zoom to get to know her story. She does have some new projects coming up. Anyway, I just thought I would throw that out in case you need some activities to do, and these are free. So that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.